The fun of building blocks. Today I spent the afternoon building with my colorful blocks. I decided to create a tall tower. I carefully stacked the blocks, trying not to let them fall. At first it was tricky, but I didn't give up. With each block I felt more proud. I imagined that my tower was a castle where princesses and knights lived. I decorated it with little flags and toys. My little sister joined me, and we worked together. She added her own touches, making it even better. We laughed when the tower wobbled, but learned that it's okay to make mistakes. After we finished, we took a picture to remember our creation. Building blocks is so much fun because it helps us be creative and work together. I can't wait to build something even bigger next time. Each block teaches me something new about patience and teamwork.